guys, today we're going to unbox this Metakoo RC Quadcopter drone. There it is. I got this from a link from David Smith's channel. You will go check his video out. He was zipping it around in the house. It seemed pretty cool. I just happened to watch his video and I said, oh, I think that thing looks pretty cool. And I bought it from Amazon and it was here like in a day. Okay, I don't know how it got here this quick, but it did. So it was here like way sooner than I thought it was going to be here. Okay, believe me. But it came with 2 batteries. It looks like that little B-Whoop, that B03 I got. So that's why I got it, because I love the hell out of that thing, believe me. I never made a flight video on it yet, but I do like it a lot, so I'll get to it eventually. There's very nice packaging. Very nice paper there, like parchment paper. Okay, has some nice directions here. Very nice, very nicely packaged. I'm very impressed with the packaging on this, for sure. Comes here in this little foam cutout, which is pretty neat. I like it. That's a little box for the transmitter. The transmitter looked a little small. I did notice that. And then it's got this little accessory box here, and they're taped closed. Okay, I didn't even need to cut the tape. I could have just opened the other side of the box. Okay. It's got the manual in there and a little Ziploc bag. And there's all the parts, the 2 batteries. The charger, the 4 spare props, and the proper removal tool. Very nice, very professionally packaged. Very impressed with that. And here's the transmitter. Yeah, it looks like one of them little, you know, one of them little K-Dang K100 transmitters. Yeah, it's got the buttons. The sticks has the buttons built in there. Yeah, there's no shoulder buttons on it, so the buttons are for here, probably for flips and for the speed. And it's got the trim, so there's really not a lot to it. I'm sure this takes 2 AA or 2 AAA batteries will probably go in here, I would suspect. Yeah, 2 AAA batteries for the transmitter. Very nice. Even though it's a little transmitter, it's still better than a phone, okay? If it was half this size, it would still be better than trying to fly it with a phone, okay? Let's get that clear. Here's the batteries. So you can actually see the size of the battery instead of it being imprinted on the plastic. It's 3.7 220s. Let that focus in there and you can see it. And then you slide the battery in here, which this is always fun, right? This part, trying to wiggle these suckers in there, left in it. So let me throw a couple batteries in that transmitter and see if I can at least take it off here on the table. There was a little flip there for you. This thing puts out a lot of air. Okay, it blew the box off the table and blew some other stuff off the table as well. So, yeah, seems like it flies great. Absolutely. Beautiful. I love it. I can tell you right now, this thing's going to be a lot of fun. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. It's a beauty, I'll tell you. I like it. Thanks, Dave.